If you need to access your Namecheap email, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a quick and simple way. Whether you're checking your inbox for the first time, signing in from a new device, or just trying to get to your private email dashboard, I'll show you exactly what to do. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to Namecheap. You can start from the Namecheap dashboard, which is where you'll manage your account and all of your services. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the private email section. This is the area where Namecheap keeps the email service connected to your domain. Go ahead and click on private email to continue. After that, you'll see your email subscriptions and related options. From here, find the account you want to access and click on Manage. This will open the settings and controls for that email service. Now scroll down until you find the Login option. This is the button that takes you directly into your Namecheap email inbox. Once you see Login, click it. After that, Namecheap will prompt you to sign in. Enter your email credentials carefully, including your username and password, and then complete the login process. If everything is correct, you'll be taken into your private email account where you can read messages, send emails, and manage your inbox. If you ever have multiple domains or email addresses, make sure you choose the correct one before logging in, so you don't end up in the wrong mailbox. Also, if you're accessing email for the first time, it's a good idea to double-check that your subscription is active and that your login details are up to date. And that's it. You now know how to access Namecheap email in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.